Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will see from question number 14 to question number 16 solution of exercise 12.1 of class 6th. Question number 14 is divide 20 pens between Sheila and Sangeeta in the ratio of 3:2. We need to divide 20 pens in between Sheila and Sangeeta, and when we divide the pen between Sheila and Sangeeta, their ratio is 3:2. Okay, so how many are total pen? You can simply see total pens are 20 and ratio is 3:2. According to ratio, we can see how many are total parts. Total part of ratio is 3 plus 2 is 5. Total part of ratio is 3 plus 2 is 5. We have Sheila at the beginning. That's why the first thing in the ratio is denoting for the Sheila. So Sheila's part for getting pen is 3 of total part. So 3 pen out of total means how many are total pen is there in the ratio? 5. It means this 3 by 5 will multiply by total pen is 20. Okay, total pen is 20. Simply 3 into 20 divides by 5. 5 fours are 20 and 3 fours are 12. It means Sheila will get 12 pens. Same we will do for the Sangeeta. Okay, like same Sangeeta parts of getting pen is 2 pens out of 5. In the ratio, second part is showing for the Sangeeta, and out of the ratio total parts are 5. So 2 pens from total Sangeeta will get. So this 2 pen out of 5 can be write 2 by 5 and multiplies by total pen, and we see total pens are 20. So here 20. 2 into 20, simply we will write in this form and divides by 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 4s are 20 and 2. 5 4s are 20 and 4 2s are 8. So this time Sangeeta will get 8 pens. So here we completed the solution of question number 14. Now we have question number 15. Here we have mother wants to divide rupees 36. What does the dividing here? Here rupees 36 is dividing between her daughters Shreya and Bhumika in the ratio of their ages. So when mother is dividing the rupees 36, on that time we have 2 daughters of her is Shreya and Bhumika. As in the ratio of their ages, whatever the ages is there, these ages will be comes in ratio. Shreya's age ratio Bhumika's age will be the ratio of dividing rupees 36. If the age of Shreya is 15 years, now on the place of Shreya's age what we will write? 15, and age of Bhumika is 12 years. Age of Bhumika is 12 years. It means the ratio is 15:12. Find how much Shreya and Bhumika will get. According to their ages, when their ages will converted into the ratio, when we write them into the ratio, what will be the Bhumika and Shreya's amount? So first of all, what we need to distribute? We need to distribute total amount is rupees 36. So amount that will be distributed is rupees 36. Okay, now ratio of their ages. Ratio of their ages is 15 for the Shreya and Bhumika is 12. So 15 ratio 12 is the ratio of their ages. So total is 15 plus 12, which will give us 27. So simply when we see Shreya's amount, so it can be taken from, firstly we see this 15 is showing for the Shreya and this 12 is showing for the Bhumika. So Shreya's part is 15 out of total, which is 27, which we seen in the fraction, whatever the part is there, that part will divide by total. So 15 by 27 multiplies by whole amount. What was the amount that mother wants to distribute? That was rupees 36. So 15 into 36 divides by 27. Simply we will read the table of 3. 15 will go 5 times, 27 will go 9 times. Same as it is when we read the table of 9. 9 1 is 9 and 9 4s are 36. And simply 5 into 4 is 5 4s are 20 rupees. It means Shreya's amount is rupees 20. Same we will take for the Bhumika's amount. Bhumika's part in the ratio is 12. So 12 is the part of Bhumika and the total part is 27. This 12 by 27 will multiplies with whole amount, and we see in whole amount in the beginning is rupees 36. So this 12 into 36, here it is it. We can simply read the table of 3. 3 9s are 27, 3 4s are 12, and 9 1 is 9, 9 4s are 36. And simply we can multiply 4 into 4, which will give us 16 rupees. It means Bhumika will get 16 rupees and Shreya will get 20 rupees. Question number 16 is, present age of father is 42 years and that of his son is 14 years. Find the ratio of. So present age, it means nowadays the actual age of father is 42 years. On that time the son age is 14 years. We need to find the ratio of the first one is present age of father. Firstly they ask the present age of father. It means present age of father will come first to present age of son. It means present age of son will come at the downside. So present age of father is given in the question, which is 42 years, and present age of son is 14 years. This 42 and 14 both can be divided from the table of 14. 42 goes 3 times and 14 will goes 1 time. So ratio is 3:1 of the present age of father to present age of son. Now B is age of father to the age of son. It means age of father will come first, then age of son will come. Okay. When son was 12 years old. When son was 12 years old. But given in the question the present age of son is 14 years and question is asking 12 years. When son was 12 years, it means when we subtract 14 years minus 12 years, on that time we will get 2 years. It means 2 years ago, son was 12 years old. Son was 12 years old. It means that for getting the age of father, we will subtract 2 from the present age of father. For getting the age of father 2 years ago, we will subtract 2 from the present age of father. Present age of father is 42. 42 minus 2 is 40 years. It means when son was 12 years old, on that time father's age is 40 years. So here we will put 40. So this 40 and 12 are coming in the same table, which is 4. Okay, so when we divide 40 by 4, we will get 10, and when we divide 12 by 4, we will get 3. So their ratio is 10:3 when son was 12 years old. Now the C part is age of father after 10 years to the age of son after 10 years. We need to find the ratio of age of father to age of son. But one condition is there after 10 years for the father and after 10 years for the son. It means question is asking the ratio after 10 years. It means after 10 years age of father. Nowadays present age of father is 42. So 42 will add with 10 because we are looking for the age of father after 10 years. So we will simply add 10 into 42. So 42 plus 10 is 52 years. Same we will do for the age of son. Age of son is nowadays 14 years. So 14 plus 10 is 24 years. It means after 10 years age of father is 52 and after 10 years age of son is 24. This 52 and 24 can be easily dividing by the 4. If numerator is dividing by 4, so denominator same number will divide by 4. When we divide 52 by 4, it will give us 13. And when we divide 24 by 4, it will give us 6. So the ratio of age of father and age of son after 10 years is 13:6. Now the D part is age of father, ratio of age of father to the age of son. We need to find the ratio of age of father. It means it will come first, then age of son. So age of son will come downside. But the condition is when father was 30 years old. When father was 30 years old, it means the father age is 30 years. When father was 30 years old, on that time what is the age of son? Firstly, we will take out the age of son when father was 30 years old. So for that, we will easily, how many years ago we are talking, we will simply 42 minus 30, what we will get? We will get 12 years ago. It means we are talking about the things which is happening 12 years ago. So for getting the age of son 12 years ago, we will simply subtract 12 from the present age. So 14 minus 12 is 2. It means 12 years ago the age of son is 2, and 30 and 2 can be easily dividing by 2. When we divide 30 by 2, it will give us 15, and we divide 2 by 2, it will give us 1. So that the ratio is 15:1 when the age of father is 30 years old. So here we completed our exercise 12.1.